Removing a payment method from your Payoneer account can help you manage your financial preferences more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully remove a payment method. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, find and click on payment methods. This section will display all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Review the list of payment methods and identify the one you wish to remove. Click on the corresponding option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal of the selected payment method. Make sure to review any warnings or notifications before finalizing the action. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods in Payoneer. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Payoneer customer support for assistance.